The last tree right there is going to have to go. It's already been over quite a bit. Black walnut. He's going to try to dig it up from the bottom and just let it fall over, so he lets it dig up with the excavator. As you can see, that wind to the number on it's already laying over pretty good. I think he's going to go ahead and push it now. Got 2 more roots. Now he's going to push it. And it's going. There it goes. It's half down now. There it goes. Tree down. Time to start chopping.